Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where your headlights fuses are located, you have multiple fuses. That with this will explain where you can find them in two different fuse boxes, or you can buy cheap parts to use fuses relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the headlights fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Fusion here. We need to check 3 fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. By the way, you have some hidden fuse boxes that most people don't know about that. Check out the video on our channel about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. The first one, we need to open the hood, and under the hood on the driver's side you see that cover that looks like a T. Go ahead, open it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. Here guys, we need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. You see that row of fuses that starts here. You need to guys check the very first fuse, that's fuse number 18. And then you need to check that's 19, 20. So 18 and 20. After that you need to go ahead and come on the driver's side. You see that trim guys under the dash, the lower section here extends to the other side of the steering wheel. It attaches with 4 clips underneath, one here, one there, 2 like that on the other side. Pull from top to bottom, it opens deep inside the dash on the left side. You'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Here guys, okay, you will see fuse numbers will be printed next to them. You see these double fuses, keep some spare ones because those are super hard to find and we were stuck because we didn't have a replacement one time. The fuse that you need to check is fuse number 20. That's actually fuse number 19 and 20 integrated in one double fuse, but that section here is for headlights. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.